In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the timeline view on your board and drag it to reposition. Before we get started, here's the big picture. The timeline view helps you see your work across days or weeks so you can understand how tasks overlap and where deadlines land. It's perfect for planning capacity and spotting bottlenecks. We're keeping things simple and focused so you can get in and out quickly. First, head to your boards. This is the hub where all your items, groups, or tasks live. Make sure you're on the specific board you want to visualize. If you manage multiple boards, double check you're in the one that contains the items and dates you want to review. The timeline only reflects what's on the current board, so being on the right one matters. Next, look to the left side of your screen for the view icon. This is typically a small button that opens up different ways to see your board data. It might appear as a panel or an icon that reveals your available views. Hovering your cursor can help confirm you're in the right place, and it's usually labeled clearly so you can't miss it. When you see it, click the view icon to open the list of view options. From that list, select Timeline. The board will immediately switch to a horizontal layout that maps items across time. If your items include start and end dates, you'll see colored bars stretching across the corresponding days or weeks. If they only have a single date, you might see shorter markers. Either way, you're now in the timeline view and ready to interact with it. Now you can move it by dragging. Click and hold on the timeline area to pan left or right, which is especially useful for navigating long schedules. If you see bars representing items, you can click and drag an entire bar to shift its position along the calendar while keeping its duration intact. This is a quick way to adjust start dates without changing the overall length. If the timeline supports it, you can also drag the ends of a bar to fine-tune the start or end date. Keep an eye on any visual guides or date labels that appear as you drag. They help you align items precisely without guessing. That's all there is to it. Go to your boards, open the view icon on the left, switch to timeline, and drag to navigate or reposition. With these simple actions, you'll keep your schedule accurate